What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Garage Noise. And in this episode, we've got a unique episode for you here. We're going to teach Daris, the shop helper, how to paint. We're going to let him base and clear his first panel. I'm going to give him instructions along the way. It's going to be amazing. I think you're going to like it. So let's dig in and get started. How are you going to attack this panel?
We're going to start off going on the edges, around it real quickly, and then have a good consistent pattern by doing overlaying on your sprays about 50 to 70%.
Overlapping, yep. Overlapping on your passes.
And then staying a good distance from it, about 3 to 5 inches off of it with a good level, not really too much angle difference along the whole thing.
You want the fan pattern to hit this panel parallel. So it's consistent all the way, okay? Yeah. What about your speed? What's the most important thing about your speed?
I want to be quick with it and consistent so you're not missing anything or letting anything dry too fast.
You want to have a consistent speed. That's the most important thing. You can go slow, you can go fast, just depending on how you like to spray and how much volume you're putting out of the gun. But the main thing is you want to be consistent. Consistent distance, consistent speed, and then consistently overlap 70%, especially if you're doing high metallics and something of that nature. Okay. When you start spraying, you want to start spraying off the panel. Yeah. Right. You don't want to stop
on the panel.
On the panel.
Stop off the panel.
Stop off the panel. Okay? Let's go ahead and do some passes. We're going to watch him, see how he does. I'm sure he's going to do fantastic. Don't spray scared. Just do it. Okay. Now.
Yeah, no.
It's good. What's your pressure set at? I thought I set this at 20. It sounds a little high. Turn to the side, pull the trigger. No, that's good. Okay. For the amount, that looks good. It really looks good. I want you to move a little quicker. And I want you to have this square. You want to be over top of it, okay? When you start off, use your wrist. So, start spraying it off the panel and then turn your wrist and then square, okay? And then just do it fast.
Okay. Starting back off here?
Nope. Continue on where you were. Faster. Faster. There you go. Overlap. Overlap more. Stop. Now, when you get halfway to the panel, flip around and come to the other side, okay? Now, let me tell you, you're not overlapping enough. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, you're not overlapping enough. Okay? You missed a spot, and this is just for learning. Yep. You missed a section right here because you went too far. So, when you're spraying, you're seeing a wet edge, okay? There's going to be an end of this pattern is going to be wet. You want to go back down that wet edge with the center of your spray pattern. Okay? Okay. And then keep doing it. So go ahead, let's do it. Nope, start from here. Too far? Too close. There you go. Faster. Overlap more. Okay, stop. All right, I just want you to notice something. When you went around here and you came into this section right here, you see that?
Yeah.
What's going on is this is lower than this, right? This is up higher. So when you're going, you have to kind of lift your gun up a little bit. Okay. So you're down here 4 inches away. Now you got to come up here to be 4 inches away, right?
Yeah.
And then keep going, okay? And I want you, you're starting off a little bit slow. Keep that speed because you're putting out quite a bit of material with being three open. We could turn it down, but we want you to just increase your speed a little bit. But you got to overlap. Okay. Overlap a ridiculous amount.
Okay.
Okay?
Right. Do it.
You're too close. There you go. Keep going. Go back.
Go back over.
Yep, go back. consistently wet.
Start spraying way off here and then come down. Good. Good.
Okay, I want you to move pretty quick and stay about a little farther away.
So like right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, a little closer. So, you want to move your whole arm. When you're spraying, you're turning it like this.
So should
I want you want to be like a robot. Keep your wrist.
So should I stand back more and move with my arms? Just straight?
Yes. Keep your arms straight. I mean, you can move your arm, but what I want you to feel like, pretend, is you're a robot. Hold it. You want this parallel. Pointed straight down at that panel at all times.
Okay.
Okay, good. There you go. Closer now. That's good. 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 Overlap a little bit more. Good. Keep going. Remember, you want this straight down. Go. Good. So hold up. So the center of your gun was coming right here.
I know.
I want you to come and put the center, when you come back, I want you to put the center right on top of that. Okay?
There you go.
Keep moving a little quicker. There you go. Faster. Faster. You're not, stop. You're not overlapping enough. Okay? Continue on from where you left off. Good. 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 Keep that edge wet. Hey, hold it. Stop. Look at you left dry area here. You can't see it?
I can't see some of the edges.
You gotta look in the light. You gotta tilt your head and look and see in the light. Nope. Okay, good. All right.
Am I still missing it?
You're not overlapping enough. Go do one pass down it, and I want you to go right next to that pass.
Okay.
Yep. You're too close. Good. So that looks pretty good, but you're just not overlapping enough. See how there's dry spots?
Yeah.
That's because you went here and then you went too far over this way and went your next pass.
Yeah.
I want you to overlap until you get the hang of it. I want you to overlap like you're going right back over it. Right back over the same area you went over. You're getting too quick. Slow down. Just speed, good speed. You got to keep good speed on this clear coat because You did start to puddle up. You didn't get a run, which is good. This has a cover on it anyway, but you did start to puddle up in a couple spots, but it actually slicked out good. This is where you got it real wet.
Okay.
But okay, so let's go ahead and do another pass from this side. This is gonna be your best pass yet. Do it. Keep that tip square with the panel. Overlap. There you go. Too far, overlap. Too far. There you go. Now, there you go. Okay, flip around. You started to get it. You see how the last two?
Yeah.
Right down the center. There you go. So this is Daris's paint job from yesterday that he cleared and painted. His first time spraying paint and clear, and I think he did great. And I'm gonna let him know that. He learned a lot, I hope. We'll talk to Daris in a second to see what he learned spraying this first time. Okay, so how do you think your first time painting went?
I think it went pretty well, other than just learning.
What did you learn?
I learned to have consistent speed, and you always want to have your gun parallel to the whatever you're painting, the panel.
Uh-huh.
And
But while you were spraying, what did you think you felt you need to work on, or something you were doing well, or something maybe you need to work on?
probably keeping my arms straight and not moving around a lot, bouncing around.
Right.
So you don't create like ripples in the paint or dry spots. You want to overlap 70 to 50%. And
Do you think I made that clear that you need to overlap?
yeah, because I could see it too. It's just some of the lighting in different spots. You're gonna have to really look at it before you go.
And I think you were focusing, it takes a little time to be focused on everything.
Yeah.
You have a few different things. There's not that many
Right.
that you need to be aware of, but if you're focusing on one thing, you can lose track of the other thing, right?
Yeah.
Until it becomes habit. So what we want to do is make it become a habit.
Right.
So then you just pick up the gun and you know what to do. And that's where I want to get you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, want to get there too.
All right, well, that's it with Daris. He did a great job. I'm impressed with what he did for his first time painting. We're going to keep working with him. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything, and like this video. And maybe we'll do more with What's Up with Daris, teaching him different aspects of paint and body repair. So until next time, we'll see you on the next episode of Garage Noise.